Hi guys! Welcome back to Franchise Republic, your franchise business central hub. In this video, we are going to feature Shawarma Shack franchise business package ideas. Reminder, for business owners, if you want your franchise business to be featured here in our channel, please send an email to mikekwentoco@gmail.com. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell button for you to be updated on our latest videos. For the company profile, the Shawarma Shack is the first and real home of buy one take one shawarma. Started as a humble shawarma shack in Divisoria, this unique shawarma food cart business grew into a top shawarma brand with multiple store outlets beloved by mall goers across Luzon. Unlike any other shawarma brands, the Shawarma Shack franchise opportunity offers customers real affordability of their products while assuring franchisees with real profitability and fast returns. The company traces its roots back in 2015 as a simple food cart concept in Divisoria, an iconic commodities market in Manila. As of this writing, the company nurtures over 700 franchise outlets nationwide. The business contracts Daniel Padilla and Catherine Bernardo as their brand endorsers. Why choose Shawarma Shack as your franchise business? Number 1. Over 700 branches nationwide and still growing. Number 2. Quick ROI, return of investment. Number 3. Easy to manage business model. Number 4. End-to-end operational assistance. Number 5. Strong marketing support. For the Shawarma Shack products, the following are the Shawarma Shack products. All-time favorites: chicken shawarma fries, beef shawarma fries, chicken nachos, and beef nachos. For the wrap meals, large chicken shawarma wrap, tikka shawarma wrap, kebab shawarma wrap, and large beef shawarma wrap. For the rice meals, shawarma rice chicken, tikka rice, chicken shawarma rice bowl, shawarma rice beef, kebab rice, and beef shawarma rice bowl. For the franchise packages, for mall carts, the franchise fee is worth 200,000 pesos. For the total investment cost, it starts at 670,000 pesos to 1 million pesos. It is inclusive of the franchise fee. For the non-mall carts, the franchise fee is worth 250,000 pesos, and the total investment cost starts from 870,000 pesos to 1 million pesos, inclusive of the franchise fee. For the inline or full store, the franchise fee is worth 300,000 pesos, and the total investment cost is around 3.1 million pesos, inclusive of the franchise fee. For the franchise inclusions, number 1, assistance at pre-opening and starting up the stall, cart, and kiosk. Number 2, evaluation of site is assisted. Number 3, operations manual for the Shawarma Shack franchise system. Number 4, business operations training. Number 5, management training. Number 6, customer service training. Number 7, local store marketing training. Number 8, continual business support. Number 9, grand opening assistance. Number 10, marketing support. And number 11, trademark name, logo, and brand. For the franchise procedure, number 1, submit application and requirements. Number 2, site inspection and approval. Number 3, grant meeting. Number 4, contract signing and payment. Number 5, Preparation to opening. Number 6. The opening day. For the franchisee qualification, they are opening their arms to qualified franchisees who are hands-on, flexible, financial aptitude, passionate, and a team player. For the contact information, you may contact Shawarma Shack with the address Araneta Shopwise, General Aguinaldo Avenue, Cubao, Quezon City, Metro Manila, Philippines. You may call them with the telephone number 63919-0793-774, and you can send them an email at franchisee@shawarmashack.ph or franchising@shawarmashack.ph. You can visit their website at shawarmashack.ph. You can also visit their social medias in Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, and TikTok, Shawarma Shack PH. You can also contact U Franchise Sales and Management with the address Unit 2807 Jollibee Plaza, F. Ortigas, Junior Road, Ortigas Center, Pasig City, Philippines. You can call them with their telephone number 632-634-0586 or 632-634-3717. You can call them also with their mobile number 63920-983-0247 or 63917-881-6999. And you can send them an email at franchising@ufranchiseasia.com. For the frequently asked questions. Question number 1. What is your minimum required space? Answer. The required space should at least measure 4 square meters or 2 meters by 2 meters to have enough working space. Question number 2. What or how is your assistance in terms of location? Answer. Scouting for feasible locations is care of the franchisee. Their assistance is currently limited to assessing the proposed site for approval. Question number 3. Who will provide the manpower to operate the restaurant? Answer. Franchisee will provide the crews, 2 to 3 crews per store. What are you waiting for? Start your business with a franchise of Shawarma Shack today. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. Please continue to support our channel. Please subscribe, like, and share this video for you to be informed on our next educational videos here at Franchise Republic, your franchise business central hub.